Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian and we got a short but cool video for you. Alright, have you ever seen the message replenish toner magenta, yellow, cyan, or black? And you have a half empty one that you want to throw in, but when you do, you continuously get this message because you need to reset the chip. And you don't want to replace it with a brand new one because you don't want to waste toner. Well, today we got a fix for you. So we bought this little device off eBay a while ago and we decided to use it today, and it actually worked. So we're going to show you how to do it. So this is the device that you have. It just has a little button, has our battery already in it, and a little connector piece that connects to the little toner chip section here. So just align the 3 tabs with the 3 tabs that you see on the machine and press the red button. That's all you have to do. That's it, and it's done. Now I did it about 10 times here because it was my first time. I just wanted to make sure that it reset. And to be honest, I didn't even think the thing was going to work. But you know what? It did, and I'll show you. So just kind of align it like I said. Press the red button a couple times. Throw in a toner bottle, and it should work. And if it doesn't, try again, and it should. So I did that about, I don't know, 5 to 10 times there. You see the message is still on the screen. This is a half empty bottle here. Close the door, and voila, the message goes away and you're able to print again. See you on the next one.